My best value bundle is basically every resource that I have ever made for my reselling business. I use these things day in and day out, and it's only $20 right now. But in 2026, I am going to raise the price to $25. So today's video is me walking you through all of the resources that are in there so that you can decide if you want to lock it in now. And my recommendation is that you should lock it in now because you want to benefit from all of these reseller tools. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. Okay, so if you head over to my Rebecca the Reseller Academy, you will be able to find, I call it the best value bundle. I ended up actually changing the graphic for it. So it says the ultimate reseller bundle. Either way, this is the one. It's the ultimate reseller bundle, the best value bundle, whatever you want to call it. It has all of my courses, as you can see, all digital downloads and lifetime updates. You get lifetime access to every resource that I've ever created and ever will create. So I'm going to show you everything that is included. And like I said, right now it has $20 for the price point through the end of 2025. And then in 2026, I'm going to raise it to $25 because I'm adding lots of new stuff. So we don't have to look at all of those things. But so what it includes, here are the bundle contents. It's going to include all 4 of my active Poshmark and Mercari and reselling courses. So the first one I have is how to run a profitable reseller box business without a social media following. And in that, I talk about exactly step by step how I did it. I did it under a fake, not a fake closet, but like a closet that wasn't associated with me. So no one knew it was Rebecca the Reseller. It wasn't Rebecca the Reseller boxes. It was just some random account and how I started it from scratch and created a reseller box business that way. So that gives you everything you need to know on how to run a reseller box business if that's something you're interested in. Probably one of the best, most valuable courses is this one, the 30-day Poshmark reboot. This is how you basically can reboot your entire Poshmark closet for daily reliable sales by doing 30 days of tasks. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to take you 30 days. There's just 30 tasks in there, but it has a worksheet guide for everything. So you can step by step walk through how to fix bad buys, how to evaluate your photos, how to do this, how to do that. So every day is a different task. And if it takes you 3 days to do one task, that's okay too. But it's go at your own pace. There's 30 different tasks in there to help you get your closet from not making really good sales to getting daily reliable sales. So that is a great resource for you. The next one that I think is probably the next best one for Poshmark is how to create a profitable Poshmark boutique in your Poshmark closet. So I have sold over $60,000 in my Poshmark boutique over the years. I'm not trying to sell $60,000 in a year. I don't think that that's really a thing. I think that boutique is best served as a small supplement to your sales. So I usually make between $500 and $1,000 per month from my boutique sales. And this shows you all of my vendors, exactly how to get started ordering, what kinds of categories to look at, how to identify items, how to figure out how you're going to run it, how to do your listings and pricing and everything. So it gives you step by step exactly how to get started and be profitable from the get-go. The next course is the Mercari Club, how to do $10,000 or 10K in 10 minutes per day, and the challenge that I set for myself and what I was able to accomplish, which I did. I did 10,000 in 10 minutes per day. And this is a great way to take your Poshmark closet from Poshmark to Mercari. So you are able to follow along, and you know how I usually dial in all of my Poshmark strategies. Now I'm giving you all of the Mercari strategies. So the Mercari Club is a great course. Now, this thing over here, this is all the digital downloads. So I'm going to go through a list of those in a second. But so basically you're getting 5 things in here. You're getting each of the 4 courses that you can work through at your own pace. And then you're getting an entire file, which is a zip drive that goes to a Google Drive of all of the digital downloads. And anytime I make a new digital download, I put it in that same folder and I tell you that there's something new there. And so you will have all of the digital downloads for life. So everything I've already created is in there. And then anything I create in the future will go in there too, and you'll get it at no additional price. And so I just added something in there. Everybody that already had it just got it for free. So let's go through what's in there. So in there is, and I kind of have it by like the original documents that were in there, that's these. So we'll go through those first. So my women's clothing keywords list, which is hugely popular. My sales phrases guide, to add like fluffy sales language to your listings. The DIY Poshmark closet review. So this is like a framework or workbook for how I do a closet review. So if you didn't want to buy one from me where I do the video for you and you wanted to just try to do it yourself, you can just work through this guide and do it yourself. My VA hiring bundle, which gives like sample job descriptions and how I work with my VA. So that's a good idea if you're thinking about getting a VA. The daily sales goal tracker. So some things are just trackers and then some things are like very crucial tools for your business. So that's the daily sales goal tracker. My listings form bundle. If you're someone that likes to use listing forms for all of the different item types, I have those available. Photo ready measurements forms. These I use every day in my business to capture the measurements. I take a photo of it. It saves so much time and effort in your listing process. Goal thermometer. How to execute a local closet clear out service. So I basically wrote an ebook about how to have a local closet clear out service in your area to get you free inventory or low cost inventory and, you know, kind of skip the thrift store model if you want. DIY Poshmark closet signs, ideas and inspiration list. So if you wanted to make your own closet signs, these are some ideas for the kinds of closet signs you may want to make. And then I have 4 different kinds of designs for Poshmark closet signs that I created already. So if you don't know how to make them yourself, but you're like, oh, I like sunflowers, I'll take the sunflower design and I'll just pop all those in my closet. You could just take them, they're ready to go in your closet. And then I have a variety of other measurements forms. So all variations of measurements forms, including the blank one, the watercolor, the animal print, and the daily. So those are all other measurement forms that I had made for my business, but I settled and I use now the photo ready measurements forms, but maybe you don't like those. So then you can go back to use any of the other ones that I've created. So all of those, that's what started it off. Then I added a while back the Reseller Affirmations Journal, the Poshmark Closet Signs, another design, Reseller Mileage Log Sheet, and the Reseller Daily To-Do List. And all of those are actually books that I have available on Amazon. So if you want like the real one, like this is the Reseller Affirmations Journal. If you want this, it's actually created. You can buy this on Amazon. It's real. But I put the file in the digital download. So if you want to print it out yourself, then you don't have to go to Amazon and buy it. You can just get it in here, the digital one. Same with the Reseller Mileage Log. You can buy this and then you have it ready to go, or the actual paper is now in the digital downloads. You can print it out and use it. And then the other one is the Reseller To-Do List. And so this you can just have and order on Amazon and use it as your reseller to-do list on paper. Or I uploaded one of those pages to here and it's in here. And so now you can just print it out and use it whenever you want. So those were the added previously. The newest edition I just added in August or September, I forget what day I added it, of 2025. So this is my latest edition. It is the AI Chat GPT prompts for reselling. So this is a page that right now has 2 different prompts. I have a video about it on my channel. And in the page that you get in the download, it actually has 2 secret videos that show you exactly how to use them. So I'm not going to put that out there publicly because then you would see the prompt. So obviously you need to get the best value bundle, and then you get the prompts and you get the how-to videos. So if you're not really good with ChatGPT yet, but you want to learn, then the video will walk you through exactly how to do it so that you know how to use it. But the actual prompt, if you're somebody that knows how to use ChatGPT, the prompts that I developed are in this document. You just copy and paste the prompt and put it in. So that one of them is for a keyword blurb where it will generate, you just put in your photo and it will generate a list of keywords that you can just copy and paste right into your listing. That is very, very good and helpful and is very quick. The other one is a stock photo generator. So you put your clothing photo and then it will generate a model image for you. So it looks like you have a stock photo. Both of those are working amazing in my closet right now. I'm obsessed with them. It took me a while to get them how I wanted them. But if I develop any other AI ChatGPT prompts for reselling, I will put them there, keep adding to that same document. So that's where all of my prompts will live. We'll put those in there. And then any other new downloads that I create, which I have a giant list that I'm going to keep working through, when I add them, I'll announce it in my Teachable Academy, and on Instagram, you'll hear about it. But then I add it up here. So any newest edition will go up here. So that way you could check this document inside the Google Drive anytime to see if there's something new. So the next time I add something, I'll take this one off, move it down here, and then put the newest thing at the top. That way you'll always know. So this is a living, breathing library of critical resources. Everything I am using in my reselling business, everything I have developed for myself. All of these things are here because I made them for me, and then I'm just making them available to you. So if you want, like, you don't have to create the wheel. You don't have to make this stuff up for yourself. I have it completely done for you, and I want you to use it. I just ask you pay me $20. I don't think that's unreasonable to get all of these downloads from now to the future and all 4 of my courses. I made so much money on the courses that I'm just basically throwing those in for free because, you know, I charged so much before and they've been out for a while now, but all of the information is still super useful and super helpful. I just don't want to, I want people to have the information. I just want to make a little money doing it because I did put the time and effort into it. And I hope you understand that. I want you guys to be successful. And I hope that you think that these things will help you be successful. I know they will, but I hope that you will take advantage of the best value bundle. Again, in 2025, best value bundle, everything I talked about here, $20. Then in 2026, boom, it goes up to $25 because I'm going to be adding so much more stuff. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Poshmark VA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add Poshmark VA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below.